This storybook for kids has generated more than $188,000 in passive income. In this video, I will demonstrate how you can start a similar business by using AI technology, starting from coming up with a book idea and creating the main content to producing high-quality illustrations. I'll guide you through the entire process of launching a successful kids storybook. So, if you're looking to make passive income, this video is for you. I promise it'll provide valuable information that you won't find anywhere else. So, stay tuned until the end. I discovered this concept while browsing Amazon in search of potential passive income opportunities for my business. I stumbled upon a product, a children's storybook, which caught my attention. You might be thinking, what's so interesting about it? Well, after doing my research, I was amazed by the amount of money these sellers were making from selling simple storybooks like this. As you can see, this book has received 1,623 ratings. If we multiply that by the book price of $7.49, we find that the seller has made over $12,000 just from this one book alone. Let's look at another one. This book has 1,709 ratings, and if we multiply that by $9.49, the seller has made over $16,000. And this one has earned over $29,000. The best part is, you can publish these books completely for free using Amazon KDP. That's when I thought, why not create a similar book using ChatGPT and publish it on Amazon? I could generate passive income and make money while I sleep. So I decided to make this video to help as many people as possible. To create a good storybook, the first step is to come up with a good story idea. So I asked the ChatGPT to generate a title for a kid's storybook, and the first response was The Adventures of Sparky, the Imaginative Elephant. I didn't find that title very appealing, so I asked again. Journey to the Land of Enchantment, a magical tale for kids. Sounded good, but I wanted something more exciting. The third suggestion, Lost in the Mystery Forest, a brave quest for friendship. Sounded like a thrilling story that we could work with. Next, I asked the ChatGPT to provide more details about the story, and it turned out that the book is intended for kids between the ages of 4 to 8 and is about a group of animal friends who get lost in a mysterious forest. They need to find their way back home, but their journey is full of challenges and obstacles. I really liked this idea, so I decided to move forward with it. The next step was to create the story outline. As you can see, the ChatGPT has generated the chapters, and each chapter includes detailed scenes. Chapter 1. The Animal Friends. Chapter 2, The Journey Begins. Chapter 3, The First Challenge, and so on. Now we have a story outline, and we know where each chapter will begin and end. To create the actual story content, copy the first chapter, The Animal Friends, into the ChatGPT prompt and set it to write a rhythm story. Once it's done, you can read it, and if you're not satisfied with the results, you can always regenerate the answer until you're happy with it. After that, I repeated the same process for all the chapters, and it only took a few minutes to see that I now had a complete story, ready to be transformed into a book that could generate passive income without needing to write anything myself. It's truly amazing how quickly we were able to come up with the story idea and all the chapters, including the story content. But as you'll see, the best part is yet to come. So if you enjoyed the video so far, please make sure to hit the like button. It's a well-known fact that even the best story idea can fall flat without engaging illustrations. Hiring an artist to create illustrations for your book can be incredibly expensive. But what if I told you that all the images you see in the video were generated using an AI art generator, completely free of charge? It's hard to believe. You surely heard of AI art and how you can generate original images by typing some words, and this is what I did to finish my first chapter of the story. Let me show you how. There are numerous options available when it comes to AI art generators, and after trying out several of them, I found that Midjourney offers the best experience. You can try it for free by using the link provided below this video. Once you've joined their Discord server, you can see all recently generated images. There are millions of users, so you'll notice that new images are generated every second. To create an image, simply type /imagine in the prompt. Once you've done that, you can go back to the story chapters you've generated before and copy the first one. Okay, so now we know the image we want to create, so again we type /, then imagine, and then your chapter topic. After the image is generated, 2 rows of buttons will appear. The first row includes U1, U2, U3, and U4 buttons, which are used to increase the size of the image and make it larger. In the bottom row, buttons V1, V2, V3, and V4 generate 4 alternative variations that maintain the same overall style and layout as the original image you selected. So to summarize, by clicking on U1, the first image will be upscaled, and by clicking on V1, new variations of the first image will be generated. In my case, I like the third image, so I clicked on U3 to upscale it, then right-clicked on the image and opened the link. After that, I right-clicked again and saved the image to my device. To create the image for Chapter 2, we will follow the same steps. Also, I will make some tweaks in the prompt for Midjourney to be able to understand what results I want. I like the fourth version, so I clicked on U4 to upscale. Then, I did the same to all images, and in about a few minutes, I had the illustrations ready to use. I won't repeat the process for all the chapters because the video will be too long, but you get the idea. Start section by section and generate the images based on your story topic. If you still need more help using Midjourney, I'll leave a detailed guide below this video. With the images generated, let me demonstrate how to merge the text produced by ChatGPT with the illustrations created by Midjourney to construct a visually appealing storybook. First, head to canva.com and search for Storybook, then click on Create a Blank Storybook. After that, start by uploading the AI-generated images to Canva. Then you can simply drag and drop your first image into the template. Now go to ChatGPT, copy the first part of the story, and paste it on top of your image. You can now adjust the text as you like. You can change the color, the font, style, add shadows, and more. I really like Canva because it's beginner-friendly and it doesn't require any design skills. And on top of that, it's free to use. Once you have finished your work, click here to duplicate the template. This will be a time-saving measure as it will preserve the original style while allowing you to add a new image and text. Repeat the same procedure for all the chapters of your book, then save the final product as a PDF for printing. Congratulations! You have successfully created your first storybook. The final step towards generating passive income is to publish your book on Amazon. However, due to the length of the explanation, I am unable to provide a detailed guide within the scope of this video. Instead, I have left a comprehensive step-by-step tutorial link in the description below for your reference. Here's a quick recap of the steps you need to take. Step 1. Generate a story idea using ChatGPT. Step 2. Create a story outline and chapters. Step 3. Use the Midjourney AI art generator to produce illustrations. Step 4. Add the story text to the images using Canva and save it as a PDF. Step 5. Publish your book on Amazon using the guide provided in the description box. Step 6. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on coming videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.